So hello everyone, welcome to Anime Ka see, let's start the video. Sakamoto Days. अगर मुझे इसका बेसिक प्लॉट बताना हो then I would say this is family friendly John Wick with his wife alive of course and a daughter. So basically story revolves around a famous hitman named Taro Sakamoto who is the world's strongest assassin, and one day he falls in love with a girl at a grocery store and leaves his job and start a happy family. लड़की का चक्कर बाबू भैया, लड़की का चक्कर. But as he was a hitman, he has killed many people and in doing so gained many enemies who are out there to kill him. But he has a no-kill rule imposed on him by his wife. और अगर उसने उसे तोड़ा तो उसकी वाइफ उसका दिल तोड़ देगी, बेसिकली उसे छोड़ देगी. So that was it for the basic plot. Now let's talk about the anime and we will talk about it in segments जहाँ पर हम शो के different aspects को discuss करेंगे. मैं तुम्हें वो चीज़ें बताऊँगा जो मुझे शो में पसंद आई, and I will also tell you things I did not like about the show, and by the end of it we will conclude it with my own opinion and rating of the show. So stick with me till the end. Now let's start with character writing. For me, the character writing of the show is mediocre at best or close to being bad. For example, the character writing for Shin was good, I would say, because it was really simplistic yet good, which leaves you with not much but some impact and you do feel something for that character. But on the other hand, when you look at parallel characters like Lu, her character is so poorly written that it makes me sick. Like, बहन तेरी पूरी family मार दी अगले बंदे ने, and you just let him go after beating him up. Like, what the fuck is going on here? I know this is a gag series and this is to be expected from it, but that makes her character hollow and annoying. What compensates for this is the writing of other side characters that are fun to watch and you can enjoy them on screen. Only because of this I'm saying the character writing is mid rather than bad. Now let's talk about the writing of the show, which is fine, I guess. I would say the story is going nicely up till the end of the season 1 and the plot progression is also quite good. The plot progression was slow at the beginning, but by the end of the season we have an end goal and we can see the story moving towards something. Now let's talk about the things that I liked in the show और जो चीज़ें मुझे पसंद आई हैं. The number one thing that I liked about the show, no one should be surprised by this, and that is its action. I loved how well animated and well choreographed the fights were. The fights are cool and eye-pleasing, and it is also the strongest aspect of the show. Like, you can feel it. You are hyped during the fights. The fights are cool. The fights are really well done. And what else do you want from a fight? And the other aspect that I liked about the show was its comedy, which can feel a bit forced sometimes. It is basically situational comedy, जहाँ पे आपको एक situation में डाल दिया जाता है या एक्टर्स को देख रहे हैं उन्हें एक situation में डाल दिया जाता है that might be tricky sometimes. Find some characters funny और उनके reactions या फिर उनके actions you might find them funny. Situational comedy का चीज़ ये है that sometimes you might find it funny and sometimes it does not work for you. Basically it is a gag series, जिसकी वजह से sometimes the comedy can be forced and over exaggerated. But I'm not complaining. Gag is a genre liked by many, but for me it is not according to my personal taste. But I do like its comedy at some points and I did not like it at some points, but overall I would say that it has a good comedy. Now let's talk about another positive of the show, according to me, which shines brightly, and it is its wholesome nature that gives it cute and beautiful vibes, which makes it a comfort anime जो तुम अकेले बैठ कर देख सकते हो या अपनी फैमिली के साथ भी देख सकते हो अगर वो तुम्हारे साथ anime देखना चाहें तो. Now, with that out of the way, let's talk about the negative of the series, or the things that I did not enjoyed or liked in the series. Number one of which would be the animation style and the character design. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that I do not like the animation. What I'm saying is that I do not like the animation style. The animation is fine and it shines in important scenes like fighting scenes, yeah, basically fighting scenes. What I don't like about the animation style is its lacklusterness, and it does not appeal to your eyes visually, which makes the animation feel low quality. Now, stick with me for a sec. एनिमेशन का मतलब होता है मूविंग इमेजेस। इस बात का अंदाज़ा इस चीज़ से लगाया जा सकता है कि एक सीन में जितने ज़्यादा फ्रेम्स होंगे उस सीन की एनिमेशन भी उतनी ज़्यादा क्लियर, फ्लूइड और लूसिड होगी एंड यू विल एन्जॉय इट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, चेनसॉ मैन की ट्रेलर का वो सीन याद है व्हेन माकिमा वॉज वॉकिंग टूवर्ड्स द वेयर हाउस, जहाँ पर डेंजी टर्न इनटू चेनसॉ मैन फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम। और इसके अलावा अटैक ऑन टाइटन का रंबलिंग वाला सीन याद है? That, my friend, is an example of masterclass animation without using cool lighting and VFX. Sakamoto Days की केस में एनिमेशन तो बढ़िया है, लेकिन इसका आर्ट स्टाइल बहुत ही ज़्यादा कार्टूनिश फील होता है एंड आई एम नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ इट। दूसरी चीज़ है इसका कैरेक्टर डिज़ाइन, दैट आई जस्ट डोंट लाइक। सम ऑफ यू माइट लाइक इट बट इट्स नॉट अप टू माई पर्सनल टेस्ट, सो आई जस्ट डिड नॉट लाइक इट। दूसरी चीज़ जो मुझे इसकी पसंद नहीं आई, दैट इज ओवर एग्जैजरेशन। वाई इज एवरीथिंग सो मच ओवर एग्जैजरेटेड एंड सेंसलेस, एंड ड्यू टू विच समटाइम्स द कैरेक्टर फील एक्सट्रीमली डम एंड ब्रेन डेड। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वो वाला सीन याद है जब आओई को पहली बार पता लगता है दैट साकामोतो इज अ हिटमैन and she decides to do whatever a normal human being in her situation will do. Jump off of a fucking building. Bang. Dude, what the fuck is going on here? And the action is also extremely over exaggerated. For example, वो फेरिस व्हील वाला सीन याद है जो देखने में तो बहुत कूल लगता है, जिसमें ये लोग लड़ते लड़ते एक फेरिस व्हील की कैबिन में घुस गए थे। It looks cool to watch, but it is senseless at the same time because these are normal humans. भले ही वो हिटमैन है, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे दे आर नॉर्मल ह्यूमंस. They do not have any kind of superhuman powers except Shin. To conclude the video, I will present you with my own opinion of the show. For me, despite all of its negatives, this show was a comfort show that I truly enjoyed while watching. But if I have to rate this show, my rating would be of 7.0 out of 10. It does a lot of things good and a lot of things not so good. But if you can look past some of its negatives, you might be able to enjoy it and watch it for what it is. So that was it for the video. This is me, Animeka C, signing off. Bye bye, take care and watch anime.